Good day to all the lovers of untouchable facts.
Today, I'm going to list some few earthquakes captured by CCTV cameras. Please stay connected till the end.
The first earthquakes to talk about happened in Izmir on the October 30th, 2020. An earthquake registering between 6.6 and 7.0 struck approximately 9 miles of the coast of CMOS, a Greek island south of Izmir, where employees tries to run for cover. We just realized this girl loves her phone more than anything because during the earthquake, she is still trying to get her phone. Employees trying to run for cover. The next earthquake to talk about happened in Yarn. June 1st of 2022, a 6.1 extent seismic tremor struck Yarn City. Numerous CCTV cameras from around the area caught everybody's quick response. Probably the most telling film comes from Lucian Center School, where understudies had obviously polished their tremor drills. Again, an earthquake occurred at Haiti on August 14th of 2021. A 7.2 extent tremor shook the Tiburon promontory, a locale in southwestern Haiti. Wave alerts spread across the Haitian coast, yet there was little anyone could do. This was the most exceedingly terrible quake to strike Haiti since 2010 and the deadliest natural disaster of 2021. Here we are in Sulawesi, this one of the islands that in Indonesia.
28th of 2018, a 7.5 magnitude earthquake struck the Minahasa Peninsula, a thin
strip of land around the Gulf of Tomini. Aside from 150 aftershocks, the quake. People trying to enjoy their party, but the earthquake scattered it.
Again, we see the floor tiles cracking while people trying to climb tables for cover.
In the meantime, surveillance cameras by the port nearly sever their mounts. When the seismic tremor strikes, they stay in one piece to the point of recording a stacking crane overturning and colliding with the asphalt close to the coast. Run cam film.
Another natural disaster, Clark International, is an airport in the northern Philippines.
On the 2019 6.1 size quake shook Clark worldwide, and those inside voyagers snatched their friends and family ill and dissipated for cover. However, some ended up caught.
2015, a powerful 7.8 magnitude earthquake occurred at Kathmandu, brought business to a grinding halt. It was the worst natural disaster to strike the country in nearly 100 years. To make things worse, the quake triggered an avalanche on Mount Everest that claimed 22 lives, the deadliest day in Everest. On November 30th of 2018, one of the dangerous earthquakes struck north of
Anchorage, Alaska. This earthquake was captured by CCTV cameras
inside the Alaska Children's Academy.
Osaka, Japan is the third most populous city in the nation, situated on the banks of Osaka Cove on Honshu Island, the city, which also suffered from earthquake on June 18th of 2018. The last earthquake on today's list happened on September 5th of 2022, 6.6 magnitude.
Earthquake struck in Sichuan province located in China. Dash camera recorded the
Entire ordeal as the ground rattled around their car.
We will end the video here. Please subscribe, like and comment to Untouchable Facts to help support the channel.